my professional jewelry designing course from R3 Jewel Academy. I'm grateful to the Academy for giving me immense knowledge in jewelry designing and adding one more feather to my career cap. The classes were online, but guys, before joining this class, I had a big doubt on online classes. But trust me guys, the teaching method was very unique with personal assistance to each and every student. R3 Jewel Academy has opened new possibilities to my creations and helped me become a professional jewelry designer. Thank you so much, R3 Jewel Academy.